like a year.
Feels like a year, eh? Oh yeah. There we go. Looking mad. Look at GJ's ran off already today. Damn. Through Asian session. Morning, morning. Let me just get that there. Yeah, looking like. Good morning, finally. Yes. Right. Let me just get this sorted. And we should be up and ready. I'll do a little Instagram and then we'll start off. But wow, it looks like GJ's really pushed it a little bit. Damn. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad. Just started right now, 7 AM. Early start. Let's go. Right. Put this on. And we'll take a look. We'll take a look. There we go. Good morning, Chris on YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. So I hope everyone had a good Easter, all that good stuff. And wow, looking like GJ's ran off over here. Shit, this daily time frame's already moved more than 100 pips, so kind of interesting. How was your holiday? It was good, man. Nice. I was pretty much drunk half the time, which is good and bad because I was very hungover for half of it. But anyway. So yeah, daily time frame right now on GJ is bullish. Let's just take a look to the left. Yeah, we haven't been here in a while. Damn. Since 2016. Wow, that's so high. So, when I was 16 years old. Morning, you are early? Yeah, I decided to get on a bit early today. I was like, why not? Max of resistance on the weekly? Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, I see there's a little support there. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, could be. And then extra resistance after that, 173 on the monthly. Oh, sorry, on the weekly. But yeah, wow. I mean, we've passed this level though at 163,781, which was nice. So it was always going to continue, which is good to see. So daily time frame is bullish. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour is bearish right now, but the last 4-hour candle was very, very bullish. So I wouldn't really want to be looking on sells right now. It looks very, very bullish. Okay. Take a look at 15 and 30 minutes. So the 50-minute time frame, looking like we're making a little bit of support, which is kind of nice. Support at 166,500. Which is only like 6 pips away. See, look at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes actually closed bullish above, which is kind of interesting to maybe continue. Yen super weak. Russia getting in on Ukraine. Yeah. The hourly time frame did close doji, so for me that's a bit of a warning sign to get in a bit earlier. The 30-minute time frame as well has already came up, tapped a certain level and rejected a little bit, so I'd want maybe a potential candle closure above this new resistance, probably here. Yeah, I think so. I think that's what I'd want on GJ. I don't really like trading on the hourly doji candle like that, because it shows indecision, shows doesn't know really where it wants to go yet, so I'm probably just gonna wait for a closure above. I think, yeah. Probably a closure above. I want to see in the lower time frames, but it's because it's so far away, like it's kind of hard. GJ is very, very high right now. Let's take a look.
I couldn't reach it on 4 hours.
Yeah, you can't. This is far, only daily, yeah. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Oh well. Well, we'll just have to see. What will be our next zone? Well, yeah, it's kind of hard to see, man. We can only see it on the daily. So, on the daily, you can see, yeah, this is the key level of support that we're holding, 164,400. So we're above this level. We're trading around these areas at 570 now here. So I mean, this is the resistance there, 168. There's some resistance there. It's so hard, man. It's so hard. You just can't see it. It's just the daily time frame is too vague, you know. You gotta look at the low ones. You gonna let us know when you get in the trade? This is my first time in the stream. Oh wow, nice. Yes, I'll always tell you when I'm in a trade. First time here. You trade gold? Yeah, I trade gold as well. I'll show you in a second. So yeah, I mean, a closure above would be kind of nice, but I'm probably gonna wait for 8 o'clock because this hourly doji I don't really like. Yeah, it sucks that we can't have any targets to the left as well, but anyway. So looking like AJ's probably the same thing, so let's just take a look at AJ as well. So the daily time frame is very, very bullish again. Very, very bullish. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so the daily's bullish, the 4 hour is also bullish. Flipped and just exceeded the high of the previous, suggests that it should continue. Very nice. Take a look at the hourly and the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Okay, so yeah, it's just gradually coming up, looking like the nearest level of support right now is here, 164. Oh, sorry, 94,430. I've seen you a couple of times on Official Linda stream. I'm here, moderator. Ah, nice. I'm her moderator. Yeah, Official Linda's good friend. She's dead nice. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, it's the same kind of thing I think on AJ when we were last at this point. Yeah, 2015 again. So it's the same kind of thing, you know. We're just coming up bullish, so I'm only going to be looking for buys. But what I'd really want is like a discounted price, or a nice solid candle closing above. So that's the support. This is the little bit of resistance, but for me, I'm probably just gonna wait for the 8 o'clock the 8 o'clock volume to come in, because for me, I just think it's maybe, yeah, I don't know if I like it or not. How much is stop speed if you go in on this closure? Yeah, 19 pips as well, so kind of hard. Hello. What? No. So yeah, we'll have to see. But yeah, it's kind of hard. It's really hard. Just say shit. Brian's in the building. Yeah, what do you think, Brian, on these trades on GJ and AJ? It's kind of like, ugh.
Yeah, it's just moved too much. It's not really much target. We'll have to use quarter points if anything comes up.
Yeah.
But flipping over and extended that for sure. Very bullish.
Yeah. Wow.
And we're running now to Asian move from like my time 2 a.m. The only thing to try and find like an entry on lower time frame, hopefully it touches 167 on GJ.
Yeah.
But that's if we get an entry, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because we're also at 750 right now, so not my favorite.
Yeah, it's run a lot, hasn't it? 130 pips. Good thing. Oh, here was nice, man. At 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So look at that resistance. This is the major resistance. This candle closed above. This one made a low wick, and then on the flip or the closure, you'd been fine, really. Yeah, probably on the flip, I would have got in. That looked like in the 15. Yeah, 15 closed above as well. Yeah, that was nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, I mean, kind of hard, guys. So I'm just gonna chill out until London Open here. But let's take a look at gold. Gold. Wow. Okay, so the last daily time frame came all the way up to 2,000. Shit, nearly. That's why I said my next resistance was. So it's tapped that pretty much instantly, which is good. Good target to have. Daily time frame right now is bearish. Hasn't exceeded the low of the previous, which is kind of nice. Let me just move this. Okay, the 4 hour time frame is bullish right now. The overall trajectory of gold is still bullish, I'd say. I still wouldn't really say it was bearish. It's, you know, it's still trending upwards. Still got a nice trend continuing up. Nothing's really changed yet, which is okay. So that is fine. taking a look on the 15 minutes, etc., etc. Let's take a look on the left side. And now we have actually some zones, which is kind of nice. So, yeah, looking like the newest support is 1973, which is here. 1973, we've got a resistance around the daily flip, which is 1978, and we've got a resistance at 1981 as well. Okay, very, very nice. So yeah, looking like potentially for me the 4-hour time frame is back in this zone, which kind of sucks. The zone is from 1971 to 1978. However, I do think we could potentially take some trades in this area. 1 second. Yeah, that's 32 pips, 22 pips at the highs. That could be pretty realistic, I think. Let me just move this there. I think that's better. Yeah, so what you got to think is you go, well, above 1981 is going to be pretty nice to continue. There's clean candles really to at least in 1984, but should continue to 1986 really. So that's a nice zone to take trades in. Also on this daily flip, you could potentially continue to these highs here, which is 23 pips. Not too bad, not the best zone. Looking for sells. My only issue is the sells back down to 4-hour support is here in 1971. So, and it's very, very choppy for sells, man. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wait for some support to form. I mean, maybe buys in this level. Let's just take a look on the left over here if it's had it before. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's very, very choppy for sells. I'd probably just leave it for sells, to be honest with you. And yeah, so that was kind of nice. So let me just mark this up. Buys above 1981 would look very nice. 1981. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then riskier buys could be at this little level here as well. That's what I'd look for. So yeah, we'll see. Let's do this. I've seen it a couple of times. I do 4 to 7 study streams on courses every day, starting today's soon. Study streams, wow, very, very nice. And daily has no top wick. What's this for? Gold? It does on mine a little bit. But yeah, not really a big one. Oh, look at that retracement. Yeah, I'm just being a bit cautious with these JPY pairs. They have ran quite a lot. I'd rather have a little bit of a retracement first. That may be a bit more reasonable. Good morning, Gladney, good morning. People in the Zoom as well, we're going to go through that homework at 10 o'clock today, so make sure to be there. We'll go through that. And yeah, Yen's super weak. Yeah, it's interesting why it's so weak. Some Asian stuff is not going too well, eh? Not going too well. So yeah, we'll see. So the 50-minute is closing right about now. Interesting. But as I said, I'm just gonna wait. You know, if I want to get into a trade between 7 and 8, it's got to be a very, very, you know, great entry. It's normally a little bit lower. For me, I'm probably just going to have to wait for the 8 o'clock pullback to even look at anything, to be honest with you. So, yeah, that's what we'll do. But apart from that, we're chilling. I hope everyone had a good holiday. It was a nice one. I enjoyed it. Bank of Japan won't step in until UJ reaches 130. Oh, UJ. So AJ's closed above on the 15 minutes. How much would stops be if you got in there? 12 pips, ain't too bad. The hourly closed doji, bearish, interesting. But look at that, man. Asian session. Did anyone trade Asian? Because that was nice. For both. Oh, the 15 looks pretty crap here, but let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, 30 was pretty nice.
I've given up on it. The days I look at it it's rubbish. The days I don't look at it, does this. I mean, I kind of looked at this, to be honest, to be fair, but I just, I missed the entry that you talked about. That was really the entry all the way down there.
It seems to be it's not like a set time as well. It kind of just happens.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you have to watch it for like fucking 7 hours.
Yeah.
It's not the best. It is true though. Sometimes it's very, very nice. Sometimes it just fucks about. So yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, Asian for me. Like sometimes I wake up and I think, fuck, I didn't trade that, and then sometimes I'm like, oh, it was so good, but like they didn't. There's no real structure with it. And sometimes there'll be a trade like 1 o'clock, and then there'll be another, and then sometimes there's a trade at 5. So you have to be up for a very, very long time, which kind of sucks. Ooh, not GJ, gold reacting on that little bit of support over here. Interesting. But yeah, the last previous candle was a 4-hour bearish, so I think maybe the bullish buys may happen later on, maybe at NY. If you remember what trade I took last week on gold, like buys as support, it was when a 4-hour was, you know, the last one closed bullish. This one we're on now was making a lower wick to then flip. So yeah. I did the AJ chart today. So yeah, I don't really know, but like the gold daily looks pretty good, you know. It closed kind of above. I mean, it should have been a little bit stronger, but it could be nice to continue. I definitely think 1981 would be really nice today. Above there would be nice to like 1987. I'd say like here. Clean candles should be quite a nice clean move as well, so keep an eye on that keep an eye on that for NY session. Yeah, so AJ's breaking the high, so if you got in on the break of the highs, where would your stops be? Yeah, 16 pips are kind of big on AJ now, kind of big. So yeah, not too bad. But yeah, I think I've been able to find this edit which makes my Instagrams look a bit nicer, so I'm happy to put that on, which I'm pretty excited for. Shout out to, I think it was Chris who sent me it, so I was pretty happy with that. Now I can make it a little bit like control this. So we'll see. So yeah, we'll see. But you know, it's just the start of the week, so don't you worry about anything. A lot of big moves happen at the start as well, so we'll see. And yeah, so it's nice to be back. Let's take a look then. Who else is back streaming today? I think Champion Pips will be. Oh shit! 1 second. Oh my god, why have I done this? Move. What the fuck is going on? There we go. Oh my god. What the fuck is my mouse doing today? Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got Champion Pips today. Trading as well. To be fair, how many London live streams now do we have? Holy Prophet. Holy Prophet's back in the building. Oh shit, is it still Ramadan? When does Ramadan finish? I wonder when Jason comes back. When does that
It's only end of the month.
Oh shit. Still. Yeah, Easter sucks. Feels like forever. It's been forever since it's been aligned. Yeah. It looked like yesterday there was some moves, but yeah, on that Friday it was like 4 pips spreads. Big ass spreads. Finish at Sunday, May the 1st. Oh wow, that's such a long time. Jesus Christ. I don't know what did I just do. That is a long time. I realised what do football players who are Muslim do? Do they actually do it? I couldn't think they could. They can't do. They must be able to do that. I just don't think they could. Like running like 15 kilometers and no water. What? That's ridiculous. Oh, they just drink water, don't they? Ah, okay. I thought you couldn't drink water though. I was thinking drinking.
They're not supposed to. They
Yeah.
can only drink after sunset.
Yeah. Karim Benzema broke his fast 30 minutes before game. Karim Benzema is Muslim. I did not know that. Oh shit.
But you can't even vape. You're not even allowed to vape if you vape.
Yeah. Shit.
Nothing's supposed to touch your lips, or I don't know the details in it, but I mean that's size.
Shit. So, if a football player does that, then what's the crack? What's the they just get let off? They're like, oh well. Because man, I would not like to run around in like the Spanish heat with 15 kilometers every single game with no water. Jesus Christ, I'd be dead. When I'm dehydrated, I lose vision in my eyes quite badly. Like I wouldn't be able to read. I had that through school a lot. It was so annoying, man. So yeah, looking like GJ may be continuing here. It's interesting. For me, I don't know. I just want the hourly pullback, I think. And the last hourly closed doji as well. So yeah, if I'm getting in before 8 o'clock, it's got to be the right move. And today is not the right move at all. I need the devil number. Yeah, 750. Exactly, man. I think 167 is a good target, but yeah. When I'm dehydrated, I get super lightheaded, yeah. I just can't see, like, it's only my left eye just gets so fuzzy, like, I can't see anything. But, like, it was annoying at school, because I might have, like, an exam on, I'm like, shit, I literally can't see the paper. I just get mad headaches. Water's so good for you, but it tastes like shit. Nah, man. Water after like a night out or some cold water with ice in is the best. Ah. So it depends where you're from and stuff, yeah. That's fair. Mate, water is A1. Nah, man. If you get some, it has to be proper water though. None of that like unpurified shit, like from a crappy tap. So let's take a look at an AJ breaking up now. Nice. So AJ looked a bit more, bit better after it broke that high, which is that on the hello 6 pips. It's not too bad. Beer is better, yeah. So if you could, oh wow, Jason's in the building. Jason's in the building. 5.7 and 6. Yes, if I was in that trade there, I probably would have done a 1-to-1. I probably would have just cashed that out. Nearly like a 1%. Let's take a look at Kevin's chart. Yeah, make sure to send me some charts, guys, either on Discord or in the chat. We'll take a look at them. So we'll take a look. Oh, my computer's my fucking keyboard's broke. I spilled juice on it, and it's not the same. Right, let's take a look at this over here. So, oh wow, you got in an AJ over here. Got in on the flip. Is that a 30-minute flip? Let's take a look. Oh no, it was just on the body of the candle here. Nice. Very, very nice. It's quite interesting to see why he got in there on that body there. It'd be quite interesting to see. Kind of interested. But very, very nice. Beautiful. Very good work. Oh, look at Goldie. Goldie's a little rocket ship over here. Damn. Very, very nice. But yeah, I think above 1978 for me. I mean, support forming here as well was nice, but for me, the only issue is the last 4 hour close bearish. You know, rejected the highs as well. Look at that top wick. So I'm not going to be messing with buys yet, I don't think. Not yet, anyway. Water when you get up in the middle of the night is top tier. Yeah, exactly. Facts. It is the best. By far. Has it broke the highs yet? 1 second, GJ. Oh no, it has, yeah. Very nice. This is mad though, how we literally can't even look at where our targets are. This is why I'm being a bit cautious, because you literally can't see anywhere. Do you know what? I'm happy with GJ as well, because we're bullish and we're very, very high. When we have some sells, they're going to be so nice. They're going to be very, very nice. I'm excited for that. 126 people in here. Make sure you like the stream, guys. We're up early in the morning today. Starting early and fresh, which we're happy about. Yeah, anyone watch Ronaldo's game again to the hat-trick? Oh my god. Another hat-trick. I mean, it was against Norwich, but still, he's still banging in a hat-trick. Like shit. I had daily one bullish and 4 hour. I saw resistance forming on the 15-minute, waited for a closure above on the wick, and I will take 70 pips, and I'm good. Nice. Worked well. Worked well, worked well. God bless him and his wife just had a miscarriage. Oh yeah, I know, one of the twins. Oof. Not the best. No, not good. Interesting. I want to see. Yeah. So looking like now, I mean, getting in. I'm trying to think of where you would have got in on these little buys and gold to get a little bit of money. After this close bullish, 7 pip stop, 18 pip gains, pretty nice. And where would you have taken positions off first? Well, it would have been there, because that is where support is, could act as resistance. Very nice. Very, very nice. So looking like another, a 30-minute closing above. But for me, I'm just going to wait until the hourly, I think. I'm not going to be buying these highs without a retracement, I don't think. To start off the week, especially. Don't want to be rushing in. I watched a bit of Raj's stream yesterday. It was a bit of fun. Some of his comments on this stream, oh my god, it's great. It is great. It is funny though how he has none of his mates anymore. It's kind of interesting. I miss the days when Mac was there and Monty and shit. It's a shame. They all went and done their own thing, boy. Okay, so 30-minute close, 50-minute close. 15 close with quite a big top wick. I hate trading with big top wicks. Damn, boy. Roger's NY session was good. Yeah, I was gonna do NY, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do fresh tomorrow. I don't want to jump in here too early and then get hit. I'd rather just wait until everything's back open again. So that's what I did. 5-minute close bearish. That's not really what you want when you're starting to buy the highs. So yeah, you got to be a bit cautious. Got to be a bit cautious. And as I said, really, I mean, the 30-minute close bullish now. But for me, I'd want, like, with gold here, probably like an hourly at least bullish closure. For me, the higher time frames are too bearish, and you know, this 30 did close bullish, but not really the strongest, and yeah, and the hourly hasn't closed yet, so that's no good for me. So yeah. Also, congratulations to Control. I hit 10,000 followers on YouTube. Very nice. Let's do this. Let's take a look then. Any more questions, guys? Let's take a look at Discord as well. I'll take a look. So start to the week, but possibly setting up for a good week with all these clean candles. Yeah, exactly, man. Oh yeah. Ignacio here got his new 200k live account. Oh, very nice. Let's take a look at Discord. Oh, I'm so tired. Holy shit. Yeah, we should send some charts,
Ignacio's
guys.
on fire.
You what?
I'm saying Ignacio is on fire.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Can we get your thoughts on Euro USD? Just send me a chart. I'll take a look at it. Everyone loves Euro USD. I don't know why. It's boring. But yeah, send me a chart, man. Send me a chart.
I think Asian just cockblocked us this morning.
Yeah, man. Very much so. Yeah, even Asian. So how would you have gone with these GJ cells? Not GJ cells, gold cells. Ah, nah. Gold hasn't moved much in Asian really. But yeah, the JPY pairs have a lot. Yeah, I just don't want to get hit in these buys too high, you know. Especially start of the week. Like if it was on maybe Thursday and I'm already up like 4%, 5%, then why not? But the start of the week I want to have a nice safe early trade. Nothing a bit dodgy. Euro USD moves smoothly. Let's take a look there. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Okay. So let's get up here. Okay, so Euro USD daily is bearish. Well, the overall structure is bearish. Very nice. I'll just mark it out for you. Just look what I do on my pairs, and we'll see the crack. So at the moment, a little bit bullish. Nothing too much. Take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish as well. Looks like it's potentially coming above the previous resistances. Very, very nice. Hourly time frame. Yeah, this is garbage. Straight garbage. So you can see pretty easily it's just in a range, okay? From 1.078 to 1.076. There you go. That's the analysis range. I don't know why you see it move smoothly. Like it's kind of choppy, man. I don't know. I just don't like it. I mean, it's okay, but it's not amazing. But yeah, it's in a range. Look, looks like a range, yeah. And then it's gonna break out either here or here. You just wait. You wait very, very closely. So yeah, that's what we'll do. That is what we'll do. Hi brother, what are trade plans for GJ? I don't really know, to be honest. I don't really know. I feel like at the moment it's going into like its abyss, and I don't know. It's also at 750, which we know is a pretty shitty level to trade on for some reason. From backtesting, just not really too nice, 750. But yeah, because we have no targets, because we can only look at it on the daily, like we can't see any individual resistances. It kind of sucks. So I don't know. I'm just gonna wait for the hourly to close and see what the crack is after that. Maybe a nice pullback, and then we'll see. But yeah, I'm not really planning on trying to get in early here, to be honest with you. AJ hasn't exceeded the low of the 15, so looking nice. Maybe to still continue now. How many pips would this be? 5, 6 pip gain. But as I say, I'm still the same thing on GJ as I am going to do on AJ. Just wait for this hourly to close. Close your eyes and buy. Yeah, if you did Asian, just close your eyes and buy. That would have worked pretty nice. Need an ultra wide monitor for GJ now. Yeah. Need a massive monitor. But we'll see. 152 people in here. It's not even 8 o'clock. Easy work. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. 35 likes as well today. Already amazing work. So yeah, looking like GJ maybe flipping this 4 hour. Sorry, not GJ. Gold is flipping this 4 hour time frame again. But yeah, I'm kind of struggling to find the direction on gold. Still, overall trend's bullish. The daily trend right now is kind of bearish. On this day, the 4 hours were very, very bearish. So it's kind of contradicting, you know. Oh, I finally ordered myself a TV, man. I just got a nice Philips ambient one. I'm very excited to watch some Office on it. I'm just buying it. I looked at all the other ones and I was like, right, okay. I don't think Philips is the best one, but I was like, bro, I need the ambient light. It's got me. I need it. How old are you, mate? I am 21. God, that feels weird to say, man. Holy shit. How am I 21? 22 in June. I feel too old, man. I feel too old. I wish I was fucking 17 again. And everyone on the stream's like, what the fuck? You think you're too old? This is my zones for GG that I think is valid. Let's take a look. Oh, doesn't let me. What the fuck?
Yeah,
yes.
I couldn't open also, so it's probably the link.
Just send me like when you get it this link image. Just send it like get rid of all this. Send it like that to me. Yeah. And then that should be good. What 21? I'm going 24 in the following week, and I wish I was 18. Oh yeah, 24 is like a turning point, man. Oof. I'm 27. Yeah, it looks like we have like a lot of late 20s, 30s. I wonder what the average age for the membership is. I'd say it's probably about 28, 27 maybe. Yeah, let's get rid of this one. I'd say it's probably that. Oh, what the fuck? Why is it not working? Oh, wait, 1 second. Oh, why is it not working for? I don't know why it's not working, brother. I don't know why it's not working. I'm 32. feel like these JPY pairs will come crashing down. Nah, I don't know. I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be. I think they're still gonna be bullish throughout the day. It's just for me, you know, what would I rather want, right? Would I rather buy the highs right now, or wait for price to, you know, prices came up, right? Wait for a retracement back at support and then buy the support to then retest. Because for me, right, the issue is buying these highs right now is we don't have a target because you can't see to the left because it's so high. Whereas if you waited for support to form, so let's just see who comes to here, comes down here. When we come to this level, when I want to take buys here, I have a target which will be up here now. So you have a target, you have a nice support form, and you got the trend, and you're not buying the absolute highs. So yeah, I'm just not gonna risk it. 168,270. Wow. Yeah, on the dailies, yeah, I think I saw 168,270. Okay, GJ's breaking the highs of previous 30 again. Interesting, but yeah, as I say, I'm not rushing into this. Liverpool versus Man U today. Oh, is it today? Oh, yes. Oh man, Man United are gonna get their fucking asses clapped. Oh my god. I think it's gonna be 3-0. Why not use daily targets? Well, because they're just so, I mean, yeah, like, but they're like fucking 300 pips away. Like, you know, I've got to be realistic here. It's already ran at 120 pips. But, so, if the daily, if we're breaking up here, the next daily resistance is there. Which is 173. A minor one. 1 second. Let me just move this here. I'm just gonna look at this, right? So this is when price broke up before. The first time it relaxed was 168,300, which is what Ross was saying there. So yeah, this is gonna be the target, and I'm just gonna leave it now. Makes sense. Resistance here, support there as well, support there as well. So that's, yeah, that's a very key level. But remember, this was 5 years ago. So, you know, the amount of weight you should put on these resistances is pretty low. 5 years ago is fucking a time, you know, it's a very, very long time.
I missed some of that because it just sat back down. But you can use the 4-hour time frame as well. That
Oh, can you?
shows far
Zoom
enough,
in.
or mine does.
Let's take it over.
Depends what. If you had the top one, whatever the pro top one, you'd have enough candles.
Yeah, mine doesn't do it. Mine stops here.
Yours doesn't. Okay.
Yeah.
Mine does on the 4-hour, but nothing lower.
Yeah. It's mad that was like 5 years ago. Like, holy shit. 16. I just finished my GCSEs, man. That's what we're trading at right now. Oh my god. So it says 5-0 Liverpool. Yeah, it could be. Could well be. Could well be. Looking like gold is coming back down to these levels over here. Looks like we've flipped the 4-hour nearly. But yeah, looking not too good for buys right now. I think if you got into buys there, you could have snatched a little bit at the supports forming. But yeah, couldn't ride the whole thing. London volume may push it further. Yeah, I mean, you know, it may do, it may do that, but I just don't want to be in the situation where I'm buying the highs at the start of the week with no targets that I can really feel comfortable with. Okay, so it's already ran like 120 pips. You know, I mean, if this means that I don't take a trade and have to wait for a retracement and then a buy support later on, then I'll just do that. You know, I'm not asked. Remember, the time scale of things is not, I don't care. Like, if I don't take a trade in the morning, that's fine. If I don't take a trade NY, I also don't care. Like, I trade the ones that I want to trade. So I'm not forcing myself to get in, which is what I used to do when I was younger, you know. So look at these 50-minute candles closing very, very nice, you know. Pretty good, but as I say, I ain't jumping in this. I ain't jumping in. I'm not risking it. I feel like the 4 hour can fly. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it can, for sure. Let's take a look at this 30-minute time frame. Oh, that retest down here is kind of nice again. It's a shame that I'll have to wait for the hourly to close bullish. It's a shame that 50-minute closed bearish there, because that was kind of nice to continue maybe. Probably gonna range all through London session and then shoot up on New York. Maybe, you know, maybe you just got that right for sure. Could be realistic, to be honest, but we'll see. I will see. Can you see also the difference in like the candlesticks here? Like, can you see it's always continuing up, right? But you know, look at these candles. Look at that candle there, and now look, they're getting smaller and smaller, which normally shows a loss of fuel or a loss of bullish momentum. So, yeah, I just don't want to get in them highs. But if you guys want to, then go for it, you know. I don't know how you'd get in. I mean, it's breaking the highs right now, but it is pretty close to the hourly, so probably best to wait for the hourly to close first. Probably. Gold is just a waiting game now. Well, yeah, I don't know if gold's going to go up or down now, so it's kind of hard. We'd love to buy gold around 1970 if it drops. 1970, yeah. That could be interesting. Right at 4 hour support. Yeah, that'd be nice. Very, very nice. 201 people in here, ready for London Open. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think gold buys are going to be nice later on, for sure. I really want this hourly to close like strongly bullish for me. But we'll see. Because I want that other trade that we took on Thursday. That gold trade was nice. I got the recap here, I'll just show you it. Make sure to go follow up the Instagram as well, guys, if you haven't already. I post all the clips on the stream, so well, pretty much all of them. I know this edit's crap, but it's getting better, trust me. I've bought the premium version, so
alright, I've just got into a buy over here. I'm gonna get in. The only issue is 27 pips. Actually, I'm gonna put on the low here, 20 pip.
Oh, here we go.
How many times?
There's a trade
Too
we
many
took.
times.
Still
Look how
generally
far that
It
ran.
could just stop. Yeah, people in the YouTube maybe who haven't like closed anything yet.
Fuck.
That was nice. That was a nice trade. We'll have to buy. Yeah, 1970 is gonna be good. 205 people in this bitch. Nice. Hope you guys liked the stories yesterday of all the nice cars. Showing a bit of motivation. Using them all day yesterday, my dad. So yeah, we'll see. I really want to see how this is going to close over here. Going to be interesting. I like the OGs even more than the Evo. Yeah. I was in town on like Saturday. One of my mates came up. He goes, "Oh, I saw your dad in the Lambo," and he goes, "It's just the sickest car." Oh, GJ. GJ on some rocket fuel. If you don't mind me asking, what does your dad do or used to do? He does like a lot of tech stuff. He's like a contractor, a consultant, management consultant kind of thing. I think it's kind of hard now. I mean, now what he does now, he just does everything. To be honest, he just does shit. But yeah, like manages projects and stuff for companies and shit like that. I'd take that Evo, yeah. You take the Evo more than the OGs? What? That's a disgrace, Brian.
Now there's some cars are like older, but not too old. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Sasha likes Evo.
Brian likes his cars the way he likes his women.
Yeah. Fucking fresh and new, Jesus.
Old but not too old.
TP hit on AJ, nice work, brother. Beautiful. So it looks like they have a little continued over here. Nice. They haven't actually moved that much, so I mean, let's take a look here. Would have got 10 there. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, interesting. Very, very interesting. How far is this daily target then? Yeah, it's still a while, man. Nah, every time we get in that fucking car, we get pulled over. Because he thinks that we're boy racers, and then he opens the door to like a 50-year-old man. he goes, your tints are too dark, your fucking exhaust is too loud. It's like, yeah, man, we kind of just left him off the hook. He's 50. We normally use the Evo for the winter time. Get some winter tires on it. Oh. Thank you for subscribing, Tubta. Thank you for subscribing. Coming towards nearly 5,000 subscribers soon. That'll be kind of nice. 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're at 4,600. So I'm nearly there. Nearly there. So yeah, it's a shame that's a bit of a boring start to London over here, just because of how much volume we've moved already in the other session Asian, and also the fact that the target's on there. So it's like driving in the dark with no lights. You know, it's kind of like, yeah, well, I can still continue here, but if I do hit something, I'm gonna be hit pretty bad. So, you know, I'm just gonna save myself and not get into that. So being cautious with like times like this is, you know, is a thing that you should be happy with. You know, if you can't see where you're going, then you just wait for some support to form. You know. So something like this later on, you know, I'll just wait for that, because it'll make my situation much easier. So yeah. Where did you put the pic? Oh, on Instagram, man. He's got Evo 6. I think it's an Evo 6, isn't it? Right?
Reflipping. I'm gonna.
Is that an 8?
I don't even fucking know. The fuck is it? I think it's a. Yeah, I don't fucking know. You're probably better. I can't even show you the front there. That kind of sucks. Yeah. How is that Ferrari going? Beautiful, man. My dad takes the cars out a lot. You know, he doesn't just
Old and smoky. That's how it's going.
My dad's done. I think that Countach probably has the most miles on than any other Countach, probably in the world, or getting close to. Yeah, my dad.
It's nice to see that they've driven. A lot of people just park there. You know?
Yeah, man, fuck that. My dad's done like pretty much every single tour on that with that fucking car. Yeah, he's done the Gumball quite a lot of times. He did the Gumball rally, and you know Trans Am. It used to be on Ferris Bueller's Day Off. I think it's called. Is it Ferris Bueller's Day Off? No, 1 second.
Smokey and the Bandit.
Smokey and the Bandit. Yeah, that's what he got. He dressed up as it, and he bought the exact car, so like with the golden like eagle on the front. He did that.
Nice.
I would love to do the Gumball rally. That would be sick. I'd enjoy that. Apparently that he's with like loads of Jackass people the whole time. Like, the people from Jackass. That'd be a sight. Holy shit. Looking like Evo 6, nice. Yeah, I thought it was Evo 6. Oh, nice. I like the Subarus. I like the Subarus in blue. It was super blue. Dream car, I think you're gonna say. For me, it's. Thing is that the car that I'm dreaming about isn't actually too far away, so I don't think it's. I don't think it's gonna be a dream car. I think I'd probably have an Aventador by the age of like 27, I'd say, or 26. If I wanted to be stupid and financially stupid, I could probably buy one when I'm like 23, but that would be very stupid. I'm gonna buy some houses first. But I think that a dream car would probably be a Pagani Zonda, I think. Yeah. Pagani Zonda. It's the one for me.
And I'll lose my mind with cars will be GT 500.
Yeah,
Old school.
Old school, yeah. GT2 RS or 720S? Oh, I've got to get a GT2 RS. A great driver's car. Yeah, kid M4, nice. M4 second hand, not bad. Koenigsegg Jesko, yeah. I've met Von from Koenigsegg. I've met the Koenigsegg's whole family. They're nice people, man. He's just a random fucking bald guy just running about with his little cars. He just loves it. New Countach or old one is the question. Sorry, old one. Old one every time, man. Oh shit, yeah, I've got that in South Africa. Cars cost a shitload.
Oh shit, man. Yes.
How much does
like
that?
The 420 DM Coupe, I can get for like 350k.
Wow.
So that's just divided by 2, and that's what it'll be in pounds. You know what I mean?
Wow, what the fuck?
You see, and then that's already with like 70,000 kilometers, which I would probably never buy because I hate buying second-hand cars with my mind.
Yeah. Shit, man.
So M4, a decent M4 with low players is again another one. It's a Milanese.
Yeah, that's mad. Wow, that's nice, that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I might get one of them soon, actually, because they're not that pricey, are they? You can get like a pretty good one for a not bad price.
That one of mine's just gone up now because there's only a few of them. They're doing about 50, 60 grand or something stupid.
Yeah, wow. Yeah. I think some of the limited edition ones hold their value in it. They can go up a bit.
Yeah, there's only a few of them left, so that's why it's gone up. The rest of them you can get for about 20 grand, I think. Evos as well, they've gone up because they're getting rare as well, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly. How much does that Ferrari value now? Let's take a look. If there's even any on websites, because there probably isn't. I doubt there'll be any on, but anyway, we'll just see. Why not? Because it looks like the charts over here for me are nothing really at the moment. Yeah, there's none. You'd have to go private. But even then. For sale. Yeah, one for 2 million. 2 million. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock over here, guys. So let's take a look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. There you go, guys. So be careful with the buys. Holy shit, that's just retraced 43 pips. Holy shit. Is this any news? Yeah, there we go. I'm glad I didn't buy. Holy shit. Bro, I said it, yeah. A lot of people in the chat was like, I swear this is going to be bearish. Damn, that came out of nowhere. That must have been some news though, man. That's kind of came out of nowhere. Let's take a look over here. Nothing there yet. Interesting. GJ stepped on some bananas. Yeah, holy shit. Oh, look at gold. Gold closed bearish again on the hourly, man. Hell no. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait for this 4 hour to close on gold, I think. Shit, look at GJ. Damn. I kind of want to know what's going on because this looks a bit like news. Kind of came out of nowhere. So we'll see what news this came. Can you react to 1000 BHP 720S? Oh, I've already seen them. Oh, I've already seen them. Trust me, I've probably seen every single car video you can think of.
That Ferrari you checked up, the 288 GTO. Yeah. In Portugal, you have two for 3.5 million.
Wow.
Yeah,
it's
insane.
Shit. Yeah.
Insane.
Yeah. You don't even know how much my dad paid back in the days, man. That's where the money's at. Classic cars. Holy shit. That's just so lucky. Like I will never be able to do that. Like my dad bought the Countach, right? Let's just take a look on the Countach, right? My dad bought it in I think 2005. It's not an anniversary, so these anniversaries are the cheaper ones. These are like really shit ones. Yeah, that one's my dad's. That one's got no miles to be fair. 450k. That's not too bad. Yeah. So like 450k. And he bought it for, I think, 50. So, imagine owning a car for like 16 years and it appreciates tenfold and you just had fun with it. How fucking sick is that? That's pretty sick. That can't happen anymore. Cheap ones. 9 million South Africa. Oh my god. South Africa's so dear, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's just like a direct conversion, you know what I mean? So probably find it for less, but I mean that's just what it costs. That's what you need to have, you know what I mean? It's crazy, man. I don't think I'd ever buy a sports car in '7.
Yeah. Fuck that. I need a sports car in my life, man. I couldn't live anywhere that
but it's in you to have it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
Your dad will take you out the will if you don't buy a sports car.
Yeah. Well, I've been in that fucking place for some times. I went to the racetrack when I was like fucking 4, like, when he was racing and shit. I've been surrounded by it constantly. Becky forever.
They will hijack you and you say what it's sports car.
That's mad in South Africa. So what if I just shipped one over?
Yeah, but what are you going to pay for import? I'm still going to have an exchange rate. You know what I mean? I'm still going to have to pay you that pound.
The duty on that vehicle would be
That's
kind
massive,
of
man.
price of another vehicle.
Yeah. So I'm sorry, but who is the guy who talked from Portugal? I am too. Manuel is from Portugal. See, I do like Range Rovers, the way they look and stuff, but man, I've heard some fucking stories about them. They're so bad, maintenance-wise. Wow, look at AJ's came all the way back up. Holy shit. It's kind of interesting. Maybe GJ will do the same. Take a buy on GJ now!
Don't tempt me.
Yeah, innit? Like, shit. It's coming all the way back up. How much your stop speed if you got it on that low? Oh. Wow, that came out of nowhere, man. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes as well. Oh no, just before it turned to some 5 minute bearishes. So Max, what do I do? I'm still in my GJ long 165.070. 165? Oh shit. Well, you got a pretty good level. I'd probably just put it under the 4 hour low, maybe. Yeah, I'd probably Wait, was that just what it's just made now? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'd probably just put it in the 4 hour low. That's what I would do. A lot of kayak fishing. Yeah, man. I would love to go fishing, man. I think that'd be so relaxing. Don't know if I'd have the patience for it though. I used to fish in Portugal when I went, and that was quite easy to fish. They came pretty quick, but it's just like if I'm sitting on the boat for like an hour or 2 hours.
I'm going up. Going up again tomorrow to go do some fishing with this. Nice. The whole weekend there was some massive sharks spotted again, so I'm like, wow.
Really?
Yeah, I'm bro. When the sharks are active, they're active.
Really? Shit.
Brian is crazy.
Wow, imagine just fishing and seeing a shark. Holy shit.
They bump you on your kayak. They're bumpy. That's the thing.
Really?
You can touch them.
Wait, you're on a kayak?
Yeah, kayak.
Oh my fucking god! Yeah. The sharks are right there.
Fuck that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we see them all the time, man. Especially up the garden route, like that area that we go to.
Shit, that's no way I'm doing that.
At one specific time, it was like shark spawning period. There was a guy that did like a flip with a helicopter just to like check, and it was like in a space of like just a short beach trip on this helicopter, they spotted about 60 to 70 sharks breeding.
Wow.
That's great. About 13 years ago, I actually had a shark scare. I was busy board surfing, and I was so deep in. And when the helicopters and the guys, the lifeguards in front were like basically warning us to, hey, get out because of the shark. That was my last time in the ocean.
You shut yourself so much. Yeah.
They're not small, Max. They're monsters, man. They're
yeah.
And in that period, on the news, there were so many deaths with regards to shark. Yeah, so just imagine the fear. You're trying to just get out, and the board is tied to your ankles. It's just crazy, man.
Yeah, I heard, right. I saw this thing, right. It was a couple months ago, I think, in Australia. Someone died from a great white attack, and then like the fucking news was like, oh, and they're trying to find the shark. Like, why are you trying to find the shark? Like, leave the shark alone.
Yeah, they always do.
What, to kill it?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
So dumb.
Just leave them alone. You're in their territory. You have to take that risk, man. Holy shit! Like, that's so pathetic. I think.
Max, put 2 of your dad's cars together and let that son of our shark.
That's fucking huge. I'd love to see a great white in the ocean. Holy shit, that would be amazing to see. Or an orca. I like to see an orca as well. Oh, AJ breaking the highs. Thing is though, where's your stop gonna be if you're getting these highs? It's just like you're just guessing. No. We should continue now after that massive low wick. I'm surprised that GG hasn't done it yet. Oh no, it has. Oh, nice. Yeah, this at the moment is just too it's too volatile for me at the moment. So thinking of getting in on GG on the 5 minute. Let's do that. 15 pip stop. Yeah, whatever. It's a low confirmation, but yeah, it looks like we rejected them lows now. I'm just confused on why that actually happened. What was that big push down? Why there's nothing here either. Like, it came out of nowhere. Like, was it literally like a 1 minute candle? Yeah, just 8 o'clock straight away. Just dumped like 30 pips. Gold buys in the 15 minute. No. The hourly closed doji bearish again. The 4 hours bearish. Sorry, the 4 hour hasn't closed bullish yet. So, you know, and the hourly, yeah. So I'm not gonna take the buys. I don't think it's too choppy in this area for the time. I wanted to get a buy here before, but it already rejected it. So I'm just gonna wait later on, I think. Later on. Interesting. I'm just quite interested to see. Did it actually never? Nah, didn't hit 167 yet. I still think that's a good target. 167 maybe. Not many opportunities currently. Yeah, man, but that's fine. You You just turn up every single day, you do the same thing every single day, and you'll be Gucci, you know? Last week we took 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. The 3 wins were over, let's see, 60, 70 pips. The loss was 10. And the break even nearly hit TP. So, yeah, good week, last week. Considering there's only like 4 days in it. Took 5 trades in 4 days. Very nice. But yeah, but it's always about that, you know. It's always about, you know, having more winners than losers, making your losers smaller than your winners. That's all you got to do. It's really not too hard. And then maybe when you're having, you know, a bad time, you just got to manage it nicely. But I think one of the things that really helped me is you gotta know when it's not going well. There's no point in just sitting there. Oh shit, I've just fucked that up. No. Oh, there. There's no point in yeah, so these are the trades we've taken so far. Yeah, so the stop losses on the L's over here so small. Look at the winners. The winners are huge. Very, very nice. So, yeah. Very nice. When you take sell on GJ, I don't know, man, because, you know, the 4 hour is right at the flip. Taking sells right now, it's very hard, you know. The daily time frame is so bullish. No, I don't want to be taking sells. What I just want, right, okay, is all I want is a retracement, okay? It may happen later on, but I want a retracement, I want a support forming, and I want to buy off it. You get me? These sells right now are just kind of spontaneous. They're kind of coming out of nowhere. Oh, look at AJ, man. People took them AJ buys, just got absolutely shafted. So, oh my god. Yeah, man. I've seen a lot of opportunities this morning of where I could be absolutely bummed. So I'm just taking my hand off my keyboard and relaxing. Oh my god.
Jason, are you in a cell?
Who took some trades? I would love to know.
Jason, you broke Ramadan, you fucking...
You can't trigger a trade. You can...
No, I'm not triggering. I'm just watching.
Oh, you're just watching.
I'm just watching.
Holy shit, look at that 1 minute.
That's wild.
Oh, I hope you didn't take that 5 minute there, because you just got slapped fucking 35 pips.
Gold's running off as well.
Yeah. Interesting. At least we're seeing volume again on GJ. Yeah, I think GJ's been... Yeah, it's been okay. Nah, I
think GJ's back to how it was.
Yeah.
We need a rejection on GJ. Fuck, we've gone up 130 pips since the Asian session, so we need a retracement.
Yeah. For me, it's like it's also the thing as well, man. If this hourly, you know, closed bullish, right, and then made a nice low wick, tapping probably here, and I could have a nice 10 pip stop, then, you know, kind of good. But obviously we broke it straight away. I'm like, right, you know, I'm just gonna leave this. It's looking a bit too scary. And look at that. So another thing to look at, guys, right? In one of my webinars, I'll show you here. Actually, I'll get the webinar up. But it's the way candles form. Okay, so let's just take a look over here. I think I should have it here. It could be here. Right, 1 second. Okay, let me just skip this. Look at me in my little fucking tank top. Let's see, there it is.
Big buff. Big beater.
Big beater. Oh, where the fuck is it? 1 second, I'm gonna have the. I know I deleted it. Shit. I'll try and find it. 1 second. If I can't find it, there we go. Right, beautiful. So this is called candles losing fuel. So it's when candlesticks are getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Can you see? Smaller, 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 smaller. Okay, this suggests that it's running out of fuel. So taking buys in these areas here could be quite scary because it looks like it may be losing fuel. So then you go to here and look what we had. Candles losing fuel. So that's why I didn't take any of them buys, bitch. Okay? Simple. What did you send me, Brian? I know you sent me something. Where the fuck was it? I think I saw a pop-up somewhere.
Telegram.
Oh, Telegram.
Come on, man.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
And that's like in the zone where we'll be with our high.
Oh, look how big they are. Oh my god. Oh no.
Plenty.
Paper trade golds? Question mark. Nah, you know what I see with gold is you if you want to get into buys, you gotta get in like around here, okay? Getting in here now is too high up. You gotta be in profit here. So what you gotta wait for now is getting in buys there, above there. So that's what I'll wait for. Let's take a look at GJ now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's mad. GJ, yeah, so let's take a look at the 4 hour now. 4 hours bearish. I mean, it's hard, man. It's kind of a bit of everywhere, so we'll see. Interesting though, damn. All the 4 hours have flipped. Imagine buying GJ thinking London was going to continue. Yeah, some people would have though. And sometimes it does, you know, but for me, you needed that pullback first. If that pullback came to like here and then flipped, then it's, you know, it's already had the pullback, and if it's flipping, it should continue. But what we saw was just a big red candle coming out of nowhere, so. Interesting.
How can that max? Like I would have wanted to see resistance forming, then support, and then like after support form confirmation back up to resistance again. That would have been safer.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's just a bit hard, man. But it's okay. It's only Tuesday. Thing is, it was another short week. Isn't that mad? Fucking hell, I just want a full week. I want a full week. What's our win? What's our rate right now? So 5 wins, 2 losses. Nice. One of them losses could have been avoided though. But anyway, 50-minute exceeding at the highs. Yeah. So look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, if this 4 hour closes bullish, it will be nice for later on, I feel. Acting like a Pennywise at GJ and AJ come to take your buy and take a bite on your account. Shit. Oh, is that AJ one that would have fucked people up? Because it broke the highs. It was looking kind of good. It came out of nowhere. Oh my god. Yeah, drop a like on the stream, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. 60 likes already.
So just imagine you are like part of a signals group, and signal provider gives buys, sends buy signals.
Oh my god.
Stop loss.
Yeah.
Ram.
Woof. Yeah, it's pretty hard, eh?
I mean, give and take, this is kind of like a Monday, right?
Yeah. Oh yes. I am with IC Markets and I transfer money via bank wire. How much time you reckon I did it last Monday? Oh, like to come back into your bank account? Ah, shit, I don't know, man. I use the direct debit one. It takes fucking 1 second.
No, but it'll be longer now because of the holidays. So this is true.
Ah, yeah, that's true. That is true. That is very, very true. So yeah, I mean, so the first thing, guys, before you even looking at charts, the first thing you got to look at is the 4 hour and the daily, right? Okay. What does the daily show? Even when you're looking on the 15 here, well, the daily is very bullish because price is, you know, nowhere near the daily flip. So the daily's bullish. The 4 hour is bearish. So when you have contradicting higher time frames, it kind of sucks because, you know, they can't agree on where price is going right now. So how can you agree on where it's going to go? You can't. So that's when you got to sit out and just wait it. So what I prefer is to wait for some support to form, to then ride it back up and flip the 4 hour and have the 4 hour bullish again. Because that means I'll have two. And if you take a look at, I've got a back testing sheet which we use every so often. So I'll just take a look at this. If you take a look at pretty much every single win here, these are just random ones that we do every so often. If you take a look at all the wins, pretty much every single one has the daily and the 4 hour with us, apart from that one. But pretty much every single one has it. So it's very, very important to have them on. Makes it so much easier. Let's take a look at Kevin's chart here, see if it works. Oh, wow. Roger trade, only paper trade. Nice. So a little bit of a volume push. Got a nice little 10 pips for the paper trade. Nice. Stop loss is on the low of the... Is that the hourly low? Yeah. I know, sorry. The 15-minute low. Nice. Yeah, it should come towards 1978.7. I'm sorry, it didn't specifies. I wired money to my account on IC Markets last Monday from my bank account. Oh, shit, I have no idea, man. Mine take me 13 seconds, but I don't know about bank wire. I just use the fast payment one. It takes like a second to come in. No idea. Just message them. Just message them. Alright, I'm gonna go to the toilet, and I'll be 2 minutes, guys. But yeah, nothing much at the moment. We can just chill here and relax. Maybe something will come on later on. Maybe at 9 o'clock. We'll see. 1 second. So, yeah. Oh, I hear some buttons clicking. Who's
Shush.
Who's
Shush.
taking Oh wow, gold hit TP there, 1978.5. Very nice. Very, very nice. Trying to think of how I could have got in there, but I'm struggling.
I got a quick 11 pips on 5-minute GJ.
On GJ?
On the 5-minute.
A buy?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
But it was risky, so I didn't say it.
Yeah, 10 pips there. 11 pips stop, did you have?
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, I think, you know, it's still bullish, you know, so, yeah, and it looks like it's struggling to come down a little bit, so, kind of nice little scalp there. Cheeky, that one, Brian. Holy shit.
I took
It was
gold
expensive, okay?
on the 4-hour flip.
You took gold in the 4-hour flip. Oh, nice.
Yeah, 74.85. On the 5-minute broke the previous candle, and the 4 hours was flipping.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so the runner is up 370. 30 pips.
Yeah. Very nice. Looking good, looking good. I want that 4-hour close bullish and then maybe later on. Because if we flip this daily now, oh, fill that wick. The spreads are tasty.
Man,
Oh, nice.
I want to open my 85 so badly.
Because then you got to ask for forgiveness again.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it shows a lot of discipline if you're sitting here and your MT5 is completely closed.
Yeah, exactly.
It's hard, man. It's
Who
hard.
does that? Traders don't keep their MT5 closed.
It's like, plus I do electrical work, so to me it's like the wires inside. It's like cross-threaded, like dead shorting up in here. I just want to open my magic keys. I just want to hear that sound. I just, hey man.
I took that sound off fucking years ago. I hate the sound.
I
I
love
might
it.
also do it. I might also take it because then you guys don't know when I'm taking sneaky trades.
I love it, man.
Bing, bing, bing.
I love it, man.
Yeah, but it gets a bit much, man. It does.
Oh, gold. Fuck. That was nice. Look at that stomper.
So I'm basically in training today. I'm not working. And I'm fasting, and yes, let me just show look at all these munchies. I don't know if you guys can. Wait, let me just.
Max, what do you say on gold now?
What?
Gold now, 30-minute closed, pretty nice.
Yeah.
Above that.
Yeah, it does look pretty good, doesn't it? How much zonage though? Only 10 pips, man. Let's take a look. It does look alright though, eh? Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah,
look.
but you also got that resistance to
Yeah, the
double top in a
979.
way, you know?
Yeah.
Fine.
I think I might wait until 981 above. But yeah, I mean, you might be able to squeeze it out, but the issue is now is stop's gonna be 12. You're gonna try and get 9, 10, and there is resistance right there at 1979. Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I really want to get in a bit lower there, but for me, I thought we was gonna do it on in this push, but needed that 8 o'clock to give it some volume. So it looks like the volume came with gold as well. So there's definitely some sort of news. Can anyone find out what it was? There's nothing on here. Oh wait, here. Nah, I don't know what it was. I'm trying to think of what it was. I'm trying to find what it was.
I think it's just a bunch of massive orders that got triggered at the highs, So maybe banks and institutions can later on buy it at a discount price. Can't think of anything else.
Yeah. 68 likes today, amazing. This is the most patient I've been in gold. I enter my buy entry too early since last night. Highest entry was 1979. Oh wow. So you just got into a bit of profit there. Damn, I feel I can be a monk with this level of patience. Yeah, but the thing is, right, is you can say you're patient, but if you're holding a trade for too long, it doesn't mean you're patient. It means that you might be just holding and fucking hoping it comes back. There's a difference. Patient is when you're not in a trade and you're trying to and you're just waiting for this setup to happen for hours. Patient in the fact that you're in a trade for so long and waiting for it to get in a profit. I wouldn't say that's patient. I'd say that's hoping for it to continue. So let's just do that paper trade over here. So if you got in on the flip right there, stop loss are below. The only reason why I wouldn't take this is because the zone's too small. But let's see if this works out. Maybe come to them highs at 1981. We'll see. Look to the left, yeah, because this zone here is too small for me. 9-10 pips maybe. Nice retest though, perfect retest. If this zone was like a bit higher, like maybe like there, then I would take that for sure. I would take that for sure. But for me, this zone's too small. But you'll see. But yeah, that's a good thing, man. Being patient. You can be the patience you want to be in is patient to wait for a trade to come to fruition. You know, one that you want to take. So for me, like, I'm being patient. I'm not really seeing anything that I want at the moment, so kind of just leaving it. However, being patient as in just holding your trade for a fucking ridiculous amount of time is probably not patient. It's probably just hope. Because that's what I did when I was younger. Like, I'd be in like 20 pips drawdown, I'd move my stops like 90 pips and just fucking hope it came back. And there you go, coming back down over here. So the zone was too small. That's why, you know, you can't take these trades. The real entries were down here, you know. Did that get to like 10 pips or not? No. So yeah, the zone's just too small. So the 30-minute closed bearish. This one's made a top wick, got no bottom wick yet. It's closed right at support. Closed right at support. The 50-minute candle making a little bit of support. So is AJ, but for me now, this is hard on AJ and GJ because it's looking like this support forming, which it may be doing that. But then if you also look at the 30-minute time frame, we've got a bearish closure. We'll make it a top wick to maybe fill that wick. Yeah. And the hourlies broke the highs and the lows. It's just not nice price action. So if I want to take a first trade in this at the start of the week, it's not going to be this trade because look, you know, the hourlies broke the highs and the lows. So you leave it alone. Max, don't you think gold has enough volume to pass the resistance? Nope. So there you go, would have lost that trade. So I'm glad I didn't take it. Always just paper it and see how it works. And you know, so for me, that one for me was a W because I identified that the zone was too small, and I think that wouldn't have been a nice trade, and then it lost. So I was right. Always just do them little paper trades. It just solidifies your zones. Because look on the left, like look at the resistance here, man. Look at how many times we rejected. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Gold is a pair where you can't get in late. I know Raja does it. I know Raja does it very aggressively, and that's why he's got a 50% win rate, okay? The only reason it works sometimes in his favor is because he's at NY session and has a shitload of volume, okay? This doesn't really happen through London, okay? So what you got to do in London is you got to be able to find entries earlier at supports, aka down here, okay? Which is what we did on Thursday, okay? You got to find them at the support. If you can't find them at the support, so for example here, I couldn't really find one. because the 30-minute closed bearish, so I couldn't really find them so I missed it, you know. And the hourly closed doji bearish. But if this hourly closed bullish, made a nice lower wick and then flipped, I would have been in that trade. So yeah, try not to think about getting in like here at these highs, you know. Try and get in maybe here, and stop loss below like there, because the zone's bigger. Look at the zone. So the difference between that trade that we paper traded just there and that didn't work out, so right around here, that zone to the resistance is 10 pips, okay? This zone here, breaking them highs, is 30 pips. It's 3 times the amount. So the probability for you to get 10 or 15, 20 pips out of this zone is a lot greater, you know, getting 10 pips out of that zone than this zone, because this zone has to hit over here. So just learning like about zones. You've got to be able to find the zones that you want to be taking trades in. The bigger the zone, the better, because the more price can move in that area. If the zone's very, very small, then fair enough, you can take it sometimes, but if you are up 10 pips, just take that trade off, you know. And you can see here on the big scale of things, that zone here is fucking tiny. Like, sorry, from there to there, it's tiny. So yeah. How about GJ? Hello, GJ done with retest. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like the 30-minute, man. I don't like the 30-minute. The 30-minute has no bottom wick, so the probability that we make a bottom wick is like 85%. So if I took a buy right now, 85% probability that I'm going to take 10 pips drawdown, which isn't good. And if that candle flips, it could may as well fill that wick. So for me, nope. So always take a look, right? Look at the 15. You can go 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute looks pretty good, you know. Made some kind of support. I mean, the stops are fucking gigantic anyway, so I don't know how you're going to take any trades. But, you know, if this was 10 pips, then amazing. It's actually 33 pips, so. But looking like it's making support, coming back to resistance. Just check the other time frames. Look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute opened. The first thing that I look at, right, when I'm looking at a chart like this, is I look at the time, right? It's got 20 minutes left. So, does it have enough time to make a top wick, flip, and continue down? Fuck yes, it does. It has got 20 minutes left. So, you know, I got to be cautious with that. The hourly's bearish, it's exceeded the low. There's a lot of things that are against me. So, you know, always go through that. Go through it. It's exactly the same story for AJ, you know? Exactly the same story. So I have a feeling some people this morning got hit really bad in AJ and GJ over here. But if you're on the stream, you probably didn't. So well done. Preventing losses is as good as wins. Well done for not taking that one. Exactly. Exactly. But like I always tell my the students in here, I always tell them just do a little mental little thing every single day of what's on your side, what's not on your side with this trade. Always think of what could go wrong. And when you've got that, you know, you're pretty good. Exactly, man. You definitely know that. What was your percentage gain? What's your percentage gain in April, Rosh? I'm saying that right, or Roche? Something fucking stupid. To be fair, my April's actually not bad as well, actually. I need to check what mine is, but I'm pretty sure it's over like 16% so far. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's only halfway as well. So 27%, nice. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm saying how many weeks has it been in April so far? Oh, it's been 3. It's been 3. Yeah. So I think last week we made. I took, how many trades did I take last week? We took 3 wins. Yeah, and I took that 1 gold trade, which is 2%. So I made like 4 or 5% last week. and then I made 11 on the week before. So yeah, I'm up like 16%. On a funded account, 27%. Fucking hell. Oh, Goldie coming back up over here. So made a new low, and now it's continuing to that resistance. Nice. I have made $61 in 3 days in a $200 account. Is that good? It's too good, okay? What is going to happen is you're going to make probably double your account, and you're going to think you're the next Warren Buffett, and then you're going to lose all of it. I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So you start on $200. This is your $200 line. You'll do little trades, and for some reason, you know, the trading gods will give you hope, and you'll be making a lot of money, and you'll be like, oh shit. And then you'll have 1 week which is absolutely horrendously garbage, and your method does not work at all. And then you lose, you overtrade, you do this, you lose all your money, and then you lose, and then you go to zero. Okay, that's just what happens. That is, you know, what happens at the start. So yeah, just get ready for it. That's why I always tell people, you know, if you're starting a trading account, put in, I know, 200 quid. Something that's gonna hurt if you lose it, but not gonna like cripple you, you know, because you will lose that whole trade. You will lose that whole account. I could put on a high amount of money that you'll lose that account at some point. 30 minutes flipping over here. Oof. Rejected the previous resistance. Interesting. Same thing for AJ. Oof. How much stops is that? Oh. 1 minute left for the 15 anyway. The straight truth, I've blown 5. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of my mates now are getting quite interested because they see me, like, they follow me on Instagram, like my mates from home, and they're like, oh, teach me, and like, oh, how much money should I put in? I go, no matter what amount of money you put in at the start, you're gonna lose all of it. And I want you to lose all of it, because you gotta learn. You gotta learn that this can fuck you in the ass. It's not just clicking a button and making money. This can really screw you up.
I haven't lost any money yet.
Yeah, suck a dick.
0. Literally not 1 cent.
That's mad.
Hardest easy money you'll ever make.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sure. Not for Finn though. Finn just.
He's a fucking gangster, that's what.
Oh yeah, okay.
Finn's had the easiest trade in fucking Korea ever. Holy shit.
Should call me. Actually, you should change my name in here to Warren Buffett. You always talk about him. That should be me.
Warren Buffett gets his portfolio to minus 5%, and then in the last 3 days of profit sharing, he just fucking pumps it up to 30%. That's what you do.
Literally. Fucking killing it, mate.
So GJ closed bullish in the 15. The 30-minute is still active, but yeah, man, I you know, if I'm struggling to find where if it's a buy or sell, then there's just no trade for me, you know. I don't know if this is a buy or sell. I literally could not tell you in the slightest. Whereas normally I have a good incline of what's going to happen. GJ 30-minute made a wick already. Yep, but the 50-minute also closed bullish. So, you know, it's kind of just guessing. It's like, well, it came bullish in the 15. It's bearish in the 30. The 4 hour is bearish and the daily is bullish. So it's literally, I just have a picture in my head, right? And I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, right, 4 hour, fucking hell, bear. Jesus Christ, this is so hard. Daily, shit, bull. And then just go through all of the things, so like 30 minutes, etc, etc. 30 minute is bear. Jesus Christ, this is so hard to fucking write on this. 50-minute is bull. So look at all these time frames. You know, they're not correlating, are they? They're all different. So how the fuck am I meant to know where price is meant to go? You don't, so you just leave it. So there you go, straight away. I mean, we did a paper trade, would have lost it on that low wick. It made a low wick, and then continued to TP, which was nice. But as I said, the zone was way too small. But look where it's reacting off. Look to the left, resistance. So always just make sure your zones are correct. You know, did you have this resistance line here? Did you have it here maybe? Why did you have it here and not there? Because this one here on the left, can you see how strong that resistance is? You can actually see it here as well in the 30 minute. Make sure to always just put it where some clear resistances are. And just want to say, guys, also, if you guys do want to join the NY session, the private group where we take trades on Zoom together, and you can ask questions in the Zoom, make sure to come join the mentorship. We're also doing the homework breakdown in an hour or so, all that good stuff. And then yeah, I put in all my signals, all of my webinars, all my simulations in the chat. So if you want to upgrade your trading experience, make sure to come and join that. Nearly hitting 90 subscribers, soon to be 100. So yeah, stay on for like 10 more minutes. We'll see what we can get. But it's looking pretty hard, man. So, but as I say, you don't have to take a trade every fucking day or every session. There's nothing there. Just save your capital, man. Finn, I saw you at what's it called again? It's not rugby, but it's kind of like
AFL.
Yeah.
Mate, I was absolutely off my dick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a season ticket?
My team wasn't supposed to beat the other team.
Like,
we were meant to be a sure loss. And we fucking won.
No way.
Yeah. It was great.
Let's take a look at your stadium. How many does it hold in the stadium?
Well, the MC. Oh no, I've taken it down. I took my stories are gone.
You took it down.
Just put in the MCG if you want. It holds about 100,000 people. That's the biggest one in Australia.
Oh fuck. MCG.
Yeah, see the bottom one, Melbourne Cricket Ground. This is our biggest stadium.
Oh shit. Wow, that looks pretty beefy.
100,015 or something it holds.
Shit.
That's a lot.
Wow.
Oh, that's a lot.
Wait, did they play cricket? Yeah. I'm assuming yeah they do. And they play rugby?
Yeah. Melbourne Cricket Ground, it's called.
Yeah. Did they play like rugby and shit and football?
No, we don't. Rugby sucks.
Wait, do you not play rugby?
No.
Wait, Australia don't play rugby? What the fuck?
No, we do, but those wankers up in Queensland play rugby. Not us.
82 likes, amazing work today, guys. So yeah, we'll have to see. Real footballers, AFL. Nah, nothing beats some.
Daiso's one of those fags from Queensland that follows rugby.
Where is
New South Wales, sorry, just as bad.
Oh, it's at 8 o'clock tonight.
PKR Ron, he's got it going on. Soft contact. Please.
Oh, look at GJ. Look at GJ coming back up over here. Oh, look at gold as well, retracing all the way back down. Coming back up, let's take a look at AJ. Yeah, interesting. So look, those sells wouldn't have worked out and the buys did. So this is why you just leave it alone. Yeah, so this is the kind of range now, I'd say. Yeah.
You see Ronaldo lost a child or something?
Yeah, shit.
Hey, man.
That sucks.
Yeah. I wonder if he's going to be playing tonight. I doubt it.
I don't think so.
Close.
Fuck, man. I need him to
True that.
score some bangers, man. He needs to get on the fucking pitch. Bless him. Soccer blows. Fuck off, Ryan. It's so sick, man. It's such. Some of the goals you see, it's just unreal. Like, whereas like rugby and shit, it's just the same goal every time. You just fucking run on the floor. Like, it's so shit. Like cricket, all you do is twat the ball, and wow, yeah, you hit it hard. Like, great.
I saw the best player soccer ever. It came up on my TikTok the other day.
Mm-hmm.
It was a penalty, and the goalie double saved it, and then one of the players got it, and he bombed it all the way to the other end. Boom, goal straight away, and the crowd went crazy. I think it was old footage, but oh my god, it was awesome.
Now our stadiums when we score are pretty mad. I've actually, honest with you, though, I've never actually been to any other like stadium thing when anything else plays apart from baseball. I went to see baseball in New York. That's fucking baseball is like the most. It's just a family gathering. Like no one actually fucking watches it. You just get some food and just sit and you just kind of like, cheer. You can't see anything and it's just like it's like what? Because the ball's so small you can't even see where it goes. It's fucking shit. I only went there for the scram. I have a question, bro. How does it come that GJ and gold often move opposite positions? If gold goes up, GJ goes down, or the other way around? Just depend. I don't know. Just correlating pairs. I mean, gold is safe haven. JPY is a safe haven, so it's GBP against JPY, so it kind of makes sense to move opposite. But I really highly doubt you guys should be really basing your trades just off that. Like, if you see gold going down, you're like, right, fucking buy GJ. Like, I just think it's just gonna skew your trades. I think you just keep them separate. Yeah, the JPY is safe haven as well, so they're kind of linked in that.
I do think though, Man United should take the night off, man, and just forfeit that game tonight.
Just forfeit it. Yeah, they're gonna get fucking clapped.
They're gonna get battered, man.
Yeah,
like,
they're gonna get battered so bad. It's gonna be actually horrendous to watch.
That is gonna be.
Imagine Maguire trying to mark like fucking Mane or John.
They shouldn't
Oh
play.
my god!
No, but they shouldn't play, man, because
they should just forfeit.
oh man. And the coach is going to be such an asshole. He's going to put Maguire in the team because he's the captain, etc. And man, he's going to get more hate and more. The coach is just to blame for all this because, like me, I support Man United since fucking years ago, like I've had the joyous side of it, watching them win many trophies year in year out. So. Seeing them getting battered this way is kind of hurtful in a way, but they also deserve it because they're horrendous, man. They poor and they lack willpower. They lack so many things. That they lack character. A lot of things. There's many things. There's a list, and I'm not gonna go through it.
I know.
But man, they should forfeit tonight. Honestly,
I know. You gotta think about it.
Let's take a look at Oh, he's in a Goldie buy over here.
I just wanted to see.
Yeah, so for me, the reason why it's struggling in that area is a resistance on the left here. So yeah, because it looks like it could get to these wicks etc. on the 50-minute above like to here 1982, but that 30-minute there is just a very very big resistance. Yeah. So yeah. I'm watching these pairs a lot past year and notice it does happen. Yeah, it does. The same thing for like news, like US news will come out and GJ just like fucking launches, but it's just volume, like if US news comes out, I kind of stay away from GJ because the spreads go high and it just moves kind of a lot. I'll just leave it alone. So yeah. So 3 minutes left for this hourly to close. If it closes doji here, then damn. Let's take a look at this hourly as well. Yeah, interesting. Still very, very bullish though. I mean, it retraced 60 pips or something. Jesus Christ. And then it came all the way back up. So it's kind of mad. I want to know what's happening though. Why is there no news like telling me? Because it isn't just dropped 60 pips for no reason. Daily 4 hour bullish now. Yeah, true. I mean, if it gets a closure above, then I don't see why not. But the issue I have is what? Will someone tell me what's kind of the issue right now? Yeah, there's the issue. I just did it. The candles are too big. 23 pips for a 50-minute candle. Fat now. Even this one, how big was this one? Yeah, man, the big candles, stop loss is pretty beefy. So, what about AJs? AJs are all right, which is not too bad. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, it's been lovely, man. It's nice to get back, man. I do enjoy these streams. They're too fun. They're nice. Do like them. Thank you for supporting me every single day as well. 89 likes, amazing. Let's try to get that to 100 likes. 100 likes to start off the week. And yeah, we'll see what we can get later on in NY session, guys. We'll see. But yeah, looking like now gold is coming back down below that level. Interesting. So everything that I expected has kind of happened. It tapped that zone, it rejected. We actually had buy kind of confirmations down here. So everything that gold did I kind of saw. For me, the entries just weren't there for me. And now GJ is in a zone right here. If this doesn't close above, then hell no. See, look at AJ as well. Yeah, it's just kind of the same thing. AJ now it's in a zone, so hopefully it stays in this zone for maybe an hour or so, until like 11-12 o'clock, and then we can take some more nice trades in that area. So there we go, 50 minutes closed bullish, but it's closed below the resistance. So getting into a trade now would be kind of risky. Same thing with GJ. And the hourly also closed bearish. This one also closed bearish. So yeah, man, for me, I'm just going to wait later on, I think. I want to see what price will do. Hopefully it can retrace again. I'm surprised it did it so quickly, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's take a look at gold before we do. Gold is closing back in the zone. The only issue is the 4 hour isn't with me. But yeah, kind of interesting. Probably going to continue back down here over here. So rejected pretty high up at 1980. Coming back down. Let's take a look at that daily. Yeah. I think 1981 is going to be the sweet spot. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be pretty clean. So I'm going to look at 1981 later on. But yeah, let's take a look at any more questions if there is any. Calling it a session with -7 pips. Ooh, what trade did you take? I'll take a look. Yeah, if you're taking a little loss, just look at it. Look at what went wrong. Maybe go in discussion reaction chat. Wait, what? Where the fuck is it? Yeah, I've already seen that one. Is that fucking Don? God, it is. So yeah, I mean, if you've been a bit cheeky, did that 30-minute close below as well? Yeah, it kind of did. Maybe maybe gold sells. The only issue is the 4 hours not with you. How much would stop speed if it came back up here? 13 pips. Not too bad, clean candles there as well. Interesting. Very, very interesting. How did that hourly close as well? Hourly close bullish, which kind of sucks.
Yeah, but it didn't exceed the previous ones.
Yeah, that's true.
Rejected, so it really looks interesting for sales.
Yeah. It's just, do I want to be selling gold again when I know it's gonna be buys today? You know, the last loss I took was really about that, so I don't know if I want to take that. But good at paper trade it. I don't know how. I'd wait for more of a steeper wick, probably up to like 1978, 79, maybe like that area. Asia might close above range in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, but 9:30 is such a shit time to take trades after. But yeah, it could be. Yeah, we'll probably paper trade this one in our own time and see how it works out. I think that's what I'll look for. Oh yeah. What's your opinion about sell stop below the 30-minute candle? Yeah, I mean, interesting, but you know, the hourly did close bullish. Yeah, it didn't close above, but it is still bullish. The 4 hours also bullish. I like this when the 4 hours kind of bearish, to be honest with you. And the overall trend is bullish. So for me, it's probably not the best. Doesn't mean it can't work, but for me, I'll probably just leave it, I think. Yeah, AJ coming back to them highs. Interesting. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave it off here. Max, can you explain why you're not going to enter? Is this on gold? Because the 4 hour is bullish. I like the 4 hour to be bearish, like maybe like here. I like the 4 hour to be bearish with me. I also know the overall trend on gold is bullish. I also know that the hourly didn't close bearish. It closed bullish. So it could still be making some support. And the 4 hour, as I said, is bullish and hasn't closed yet. So yeah. You have to trail stop loss buying GJ. It would be hard to pinpoint a TP. Exactly, man. That's why I'd rather wait for support to form. I know this one did it very quickly, but even if I wanted the support to form here, the stop loss was 33 pips, so fuck that. But that kind of worked pretty nicely back at the support. So yeah, we'll see how this 4 hour closes. That'll be kind of interesting. We'll see how GJ closes in the next couple hours. Hopefully making some support later on. But yeah, this hourly closing doji bearish for me is a no-go as well. I don't really want to take trades in that candle, next candle. So yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it off here. People in the Zoom, make sure to come and join the homework. We're going to do that at 10 o'clock. And I'll see you guys there. So peace out, man. Adios, amigos.
Pleasure.
See you later, guys.
See you guys.
See you
Bye-bye.
guys. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Make sure to like the stream. Let's get to 100 likes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. I'll see you guys there. Thank you very much, man. Peace out. See you later.